Welcome to my channel Gosia Art Home Cooking. Today I like to show you very delicious, it's very simple recipe for salsa chicken, and I hope you enjoy. For today's recipe, salsa chicken recipe, I have whole chicken, salsa sauce. I use the mild black pepper and sea salt. This is just 3 ingredients I'm using for this recipe. First, I will cut chicken in half from the back side. I cut the chicken on the side where is the spine area. So easy to just cut, you can see. Chicken is pre-washed and just cut a little bit in the middle because it's a bone. Like this. And we have 2 sides of chicken, very nice. Look at this. 2 sides, and we can marinate right now and bake. The first part, I put the whole chicken in baking pan. Salt on both sides, black pepper, and salsa. I will marinate chicken for 20 minutes. And it's done. 20 minutes pass, I will pour more salsa on the bottom of my baking pan and a little bit water. And that's it. Now I will bake chicken. The temperature is 350 degrees. Salsa chicken is done. This is my proposition for dinner: salsa chicken, mashed potato with dill, and fried cabbage with carrot. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure to check them out. Bye bye. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.